the bug. Everyone did that?
Yes, sir.
Anya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will start. So again, we are creating a design pattern today, okay? So we'll create a design pattern. We are going to make use of a new sprite block, okay? Can you go over, Kevin? Can you go over here and search for pen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now select pen. And now let's wait for others also. Anya, you have done that?
So what are we? Yes, sir. Select.
So there is a new sprite block, sprite name pen. So you have to go and select the pen.
Sir, I don't know where it is, sir.
It's
we have
here where I am hovering my mouse. Click on that. Your pen will be there.
Where?
Wait. Here.
Okay, found it, sir.
everyone found. Naman, you found?
Yeah.
Sir, I don't get how to form it.
Can you have a look at where Kevin's screen is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and just see how he got the pen.
So what does the pen do, sir?
We will create a design pattern with it, Rihan.
Good evening, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hello, I was waiting for you. Okay.
Sir, sorry, I'm late. I annotated on the screen and circle the place where you find the pen.
Yeah, sure. Anya, can you share your screen, Anya, then?
Sir, अभी भी नहीं हो रहा.
So I found the pen. I just annotated on the screen to show Naman where the pen was.
Okay, Naman, please share your screen.
So, what are we doing today, sir?
We are going to create a design pattern. Go over here, Naman.
So, I'll just open Scratch, sir.
What design pattern, sir?
That is all up to you. We will create one and then you can change it. So everyone should have got one sprite, which is a bug, and also the blocks for pen, correct? Everyone
Yes,
has
sir.
it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we will start coding for the first one, okay? Can we start
1
coding?
minute, sir.
Mhm.
I'll just open up Scratch.
Okay.
Open, sir.
Okay. So you have to have a sprite. Do you have a sprite of bug, ladybug?
I'm going to take it, sir.
Sir, may I stop sharing?
Not yet. We'll do on your screen. Okay. Naman?
Taken ladybug, sir.
And do you have the pen blocks with you?
Pen block, sir. Yes, taken the pen block.
Okay, then we'll start sharing. We'll start coding. Okay, Naman, let's have the first block, pen up. There's a block by name pen up. Very good. Then we will go to motion. Go to motion.
Please, pen up, sir.
Yes. Then after that, there will be block which says go to XY. Drag and drop, go to XY below that. And make X as -150.
Sir, pen up, go to xy minus 150.
And y as minus 150.
So both are minus 150, sir.
Both are minus 150.
You have to plug that in. Yeah, I do that.
Okay. Everyone done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will go back to the
Oh,
pen
no,
block.
sir. I'm not done.
Okay.
Go to xy, right, sir?
Go
Or
to
glide
X.
xy.
Go to XY.
Sir, there's there is something wrong with my screen. I put it, it's coming like the part where you can like see your scratch thing and all, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
It's there, it's coming as so it's coming in small.
Okay, you have to share your screen.
It's small, it's not like the regular size.
Okay, sure.
See, sir, it's like small.
That's the same as all our sprites.
What is the problem, Dhruv?
No, sir,
This
this
is
is very
small.
zoomed.
Okay, but that's okay, right? We can still do the coding, correct?
Okay, sir.
So it's not
That's-
small. That's the same size as mine.
Okay,
Everyone
Anya.
else's is the same size.
Okay. And now go to X. X as minus 150. Y 150
Y plus or minus, sir?
minus 150.
Yes, sir.
Then go to the pen blocks and drag and drop set pen color to. There's a one way set pen color to and select red color over there. And let's
So
wait for
dark
other
red, sir.
any red color you want to. Then after that, drag and drop set pen size to set pen size
2, 1.
to 3.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
sir, something happened, sir.
What?
Only erase all is there, sir.
Then you can create it quickly, Vihan, right? We just started.
Sir, sir, I don't know how to create it, sir. Sir, I got disconnected. So what do we have to do?
Yes, Anya, just have a look at the screen.
Sir, wait, I just scratch and come back. Does it have to be to red or
Yes, red.
any color?
Red
Can you
color.
please wait? So I had to do it all over again. Because something happened to mine.
The next block.
Wait, let everyone be on this particular screen.
Sir, can I share my screen?
But Vihan, can you drag and drop the blocks?
Can you just tell me the blocks, sir?
Pen
Okay,
up. First block is pen up. Second block is go to X.
Set pen size to 3, right?
pen size to 3, correct?
Go to X0, no?
Go to XY.
Okay.
XY minus X is minus 150. Y is the same.
Okay. Now after that?
Set pen color to red in pen blocks.
next does it have to be to red, sir?
Next
pen
is
size.
set pen size to 3.
What?
Last one.
Set
Set
pen
pen
size
size.
to 3.
Set pen. Wait. Okay.
Okay, everyone has
Done.
done this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then drag and drop pen down. There will be one more block by name pen down.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
I did that for the cat.
That's okay. We'll make use of cat as a sprite. That's okay, not a problem.
And then I deleted it.
Can do Control Z, it will come back. Redo Control Z.
No, it's not coming again. Same thing happened to the pen, sir. Now everything is gone again.
Okay,
Then
show me
try
your screen.
Control Y. Try
Show me your
Control
screen,
Y.
Vihan.
So for me, just everything went out.
Yeah.
Also for me, sir.
Okay, Vihan, share your screen.
For me, my things are still there, sir.
Look, sir.
Okay. Where are you
It's
right now?
like that.
You have to be on the sprite, correct? You have to go to the sprite, select Ladybug. Okay. Now
So
let's
my
do it.
screen is my
Yes.
screen is getting hanged. Maybe I
Can
move
you,
up and down?
or you have to restart, Kevin, then you can join back. By that time, I will have Vihan. Okay. So Vihan,
Okay.
first one is pen up, then go to motion, go to XY, minus 150.
Minus 150.
Yes, Y would be
Same thing.
Minus 150.
correct.
Now go to the pen block and set
Drag
pen
and-
color.
Yes, select red color.
Red.
Very good.
Then pen size to 3.
Correct. Very good. Then we will have pen down.
Yes,
Pen
sir.
down. Very good. Now we will add a new block. Can you go to control
Yes, sir.
and drag and drop repeat block. Repeat.
Okay, sir.
On top of them, sir.
Yeah, below that. Repeat. Okay. And then go to motion and drag and drop move block inside that.
Move 10 steps. Do we change the steps, sir?
Change it to move 5 steps. And then go to control.
Wait, sir. Sorry, we have to
Sir,
repeat
repeat is how
and move 5.
So repeat
Okay,
is how
sir.
much?
Wait,
Repeat
let him
is
first.
10, right?
Yeah. Then go to weight block, drag and drop weight block.
Wait
Below
1
that,
second.
make it wait 0.5 second. And let's wait for others now, okay? Wait 0.5 second.
I'm done.
Agam
Under
done?
the weight block, right, sir?
Yes. Agam done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Anya done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see how it looks like. Can you put a green flag over here? And let's click on it and let's see how it looks like. Okay. Right.
So no pattern is coming.
Pattern will come slowly, right? We will just building our code. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Let
good.
me try.
Okay. Now, everyone has done this. Can we proceed? Naman, you have
Yes,
done
sir.
this?
It's creating a red line.
Yes,
Yes,
creating
sir.
red.
It's creating a red line.
From
Okay.
its butt, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now let's make sure. Now we will create one more sprite. Okay. Everyone has done this. Naman, you have done this.
Sir,
Did we create a sprite or take
Can
a
I choose a sprite, sir?
Yeah. Wait, Vihan. Naman, what was that?
sir, I am doing.
Okay. Let's wait for Naman. Vihan, can you show the code again to Naman?
Sir, no.
So how to erase the line, sir?
No, we cannot erase the line now. We
So
will,
do
we
we
will
have to
do
make
it.
a feature for that? So there's a red line also here.
Yes, so let it be. We
We
will.
can erase the line by
Sir, by mistake I put a background. Can you tell me how to like delete the background?
You have to go to background and then delete it, right?
Yeah, it's
Background.
easy. Just press on the part where the background is viewed.
Naman, you are done?
Like you press it here, there's an X. You should know this.
सर मेरी कोई लाइन ही नहीं छोड़ रही लेडी
Okay, Naman, share your screen.
So then can I just choose one?
Sir, it says open image in new tab. It's not showing anything else.
Sir, can I just choose a sprite, sir?
Not yet, Vihan. Let's wait. Let's wait Naman also to come. Then pen up, go. You have not put pen down. Okay, go to pen again. Go to pen. There is, put pen down over here. There will be something called as pen down. Yeah, now try it. Okay, it's creating. Now let's try to understand the code. Okay, when the program starts, pen is up. That means you cannot write anything. Then you're setting the color of the pen, and when you say pen down means now you will start writing. What you are doing, you are just moving 5 steps. That's why you have got very small line like this. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, okay, Naman, now again go back and select a new sprite. Now let's go to, and again select a sprite as Ladybug.
Different ladybug, sir.
The same one you can select also.
Same.
Yeah. Let's select a new sprite Ladybug.
Can we choose another sprite, sir?
You can change the sprite later on also, right? If you
Can we take a lion?
Okay, take a lion then. Okay. If you want lion. Okay. Now let's start coding for the new sprite. Okay. Everyone is selected a new sprite.
No, sir, I'm still taking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naman, I'm waiting for you.
Sir?
I took a frog.
All right. Now let's start coding for the new sprite. Okay, so again we will go to pen up. First one would be pen up.
So wait, sir. I'm choosing another sprite, sir.
Okay.
Pen up.
I'm still finding a sprite, sir.
Sudden, sir. Sure.
Really, is it the same as the other one?
Yes, almost similar to that.
Then, sir.
Yeah. Done, we can proceed.
So then when I'm choosing, okay, never mind.
Okay, then we have to go to motion, drag and drop, go to XY block,
Same, sir.
go to XY. The X will be 150. Drag and drop.
Same
X.
thing.
Not same thing, right? Go to XY block. X is 150, Y is minus 150.
So X is 150, Y is minus 150.
Go to XY, sir.
Yes.
Pen.
Then after that, go to pen block and say set pen color to blue.
Oh, blue. Kacha, kacha.
Dhruv,
Hmm.
why are you making that noise?
Then set pen size to 3.
No pen down, sir.
Then pen down.
Now repeat blocks, sir.
Then repeat. Very good. Then go to control. Repeat.
Then motion 5 steps.
Then motion. Yes. Then go to motion. Move 5 steps.
And wait 0.5 seconds.
Wait 0.5 seconds. Okay. Everyone has done this.
So we repeat 10 and move.
And then put one green flag on top.
Wait,
Correct?
sir.
One green flag on top.
Okay.
Okay, now green flag, sir.
Yes, green flag. And now let's see how the two sprites are working. Okay. All right. So we have two sprites which are in a different directions of the square, correct? On the different ends of the square.
ग्रिफिन है ये तो स्टार्टिंग में ही बहुत आगे चली जाती है उससे.
Because we have set that xy like that, we'll change everything. We are doing coding
Sir,
one step
both
at a
are
time.
in the same place. Both are at the same place, bottom of the square.
No, then your xy is incorrect, Dhruv. First sprite x is minus 150, y is
Yes,
minus
sir.
150.
Yes, sir.
And second sprite x is 150 and minus 150. They cannot be at the same space.
X is plus 150, Y is minus 150 for the second one.
Sir,
Correct.
can I share my screen?
Let me
Yes,
go
sir,
to Anya.
I've done
Yes,
that.
sir. For some reason, something's wrong. The top bar just goes down right in front,
Okay.
and they're both going.
Show me your screen, Anya. Okay. Now let's look at your code. Show me the first sprite. Show me the first sprite. The code for the first sprite. X is y50 minus 150. Go to, okay, now show me the code for the second sprite. 150. Okay, and then click on the green flag.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
The sprite is.
X is, go to, show me again the code for the first sprite. Wait now.
So the same thing is happening to me, sir.
That's okay, right? So that's okay. I just wanted to see your code is correct or not. Okay. So when we do coding, we do one step at a time and then we test it. Okay. All right. Now we will create one more sprite. Add one more ladybug. Same way, add one more ladybug.
And so I can choose another sprite. There are no colors coming there. There are no colors. I can choose another sprite.
Can I choose a dynasty?
On the first time.
I chose a beetle. I chose a beetle.
Okay.
I chose a fox.
Okay. Anya, can you select one more sprite? Let's select one more ladybug.
I chose a fox. And a ghost.
And now let's start coding for that. Okay.
I thought you chose
now we will start coding again. Pen up.
So can you just show me the code?
Yes, we are doing we are doing this. Just add one more sprite, Kevin. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Let's do pen up. Then after that, go to XY, go to motion. Go to XY. This time X is 150, Y is 150.
Wait, sir.
Y is 150.
What's X?
X is
What's
150.
X, sir?
150. Y is 150.
X
Then
is 1.
okay.
Why is...
Then go
No,
to
-1, not minus
not
150, sir.
minus, not minus. Then we will go to pen again and set pen color to green. Then set pen size to 3.
So this is for the which one, sir?
This is a new sprite that we are building, right?
Okay, sir. Set pen size to 3, sir. Next.
Yes. First we have to color, then set pen size to 3.
I've done those both, sir.
Okay. Then pen down.
What's up? Up of the go to XY's pen up, sir. Pen.
Vian, if you can see what Anya is doing. Okay. Then put a repeat block,
Yes,
Anya.
sir.
Go to control. Repeat. Then go to motion.
Shouldn't we put the repeat block like this?
No, don't do it. Don't do it. It has to be below that. Then go to motion.
Okay.
Move 5 steps. And then put a wait block 0.5 second. 0.5 second. Everyone done did this, and put a green flag and then show me again. Okay, all right. Okay.
I have not done this.
So
I'm just
on
going to now.
every corner of this square, we are getting one ladybug. Okay, all right. Everyone has done this so far.
So I'm doing
Sir,
it.
mine is not coming, sir.
Okay, Kevin, please share your screen.
Sir, wait, sir, it's coming.
Coming, sir.
1 minute, sir. So it's coming, sir, but I don't know. Sir, is this code for everything?
I had the same problem though. So like
Anya-
was the sprite
Anya, for
immediately
you,
coming from?
yeah, Anya, for you, it is all good. There is nothing wrong with your code. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
let me look at Kevin. Yeah, Kevin.
Sir, my code, I gave it 150 and 150, but it's coming at 200 and 150.
Yeah. So let's create one more sprite, Kevin. And this is only for Kevin, not for anyone else.
We've done that, sir.
You guys have done that. Yes.
Which? Sir,
Just
any
select,
sprite or?
yeah, or just select ladybug again, right?
So one minute, sir. Can he go to Beetle? I need to see the coding for my Beetle.
Okay, wait.
My third sprite.
Yes. So once he comes to third sprite, I'll come to know. Kevin, for
My
the first sprite.
Third sprite. So his second sprite, he's done the thing.
Yes, Dhruv. Wait. Let me first help him.
Second sprite, he's done the third sprites.
Kevin, for the first sprite, the XY is X is -150, Y is -150.
Yes, sir.
For the second
Sir,
sprite,
you put two things, green flag and the other two things.
yes. So, and also put a weight of.
सर
Yes, Naman.
मेरा करते करते ना वो बंद ही हो गया स्क्रैच अब वो खुल नहीं रही पुरानी फाइल
Then you have to quickly create it, Naman, and make okay.
So
Then
first one finished, so second one.
Show me the first one again. Show me the first one again. Pen up, go to XY, red, go to pen size. Okay, in the second one, the X is 150, Y is -150. And in the second one, pen color is blue. Second one, the pen color is blue.
For third one?
For the third one, for the third one, the X is 150, Y is 150.
Okay, sir.
So you can just duplicate it, sir.
Yeah, but if you duplicate, you will not learn to how to do it, right?
Yes.
Sir, please come to my screen.
Done, sir.
Okay, let Kevin also do it.
So what is the degree? 150?
Y is 150, X is 150.
Okay.
Sir, please come to my screen.
Okay, Naman, share your screen.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Not yet, Vihan. Let me help Naman. You have done your coding for the time being, okay? Naman has not done that. You have to start over again, Naman.
Yes, sir. सर
Then
और पेन अभी पेन वाला ड्रॉ किया तो सिर्फ इरेज होल आ रहा है और मोशन ब्लॉक्स भी नहीं आ रहे.
select your sprite, right? So it will always come in the sprite. You're in the backdrop right now. Select your sprite first. Or just ladybug went up, right? Or search for bug over here, type bug over there. Okay. The very first thing is in the pen, go and say pen up.
We shouldn't do this, right?
Not you guys, only Naman. Pen up, then go to XY. X will be minus 150, Y will be minus 150. Then again go back to pen. Set pen color to red. Then set pen size to 3. Then pen down. Then put repeat block. Then put move block inside that. Then put wait 0.5 second. Okay. Now can you right click over here and say duplicate? Just right click on this one. On the sprite, Naman. Say duplicate. Do one more time duplicate. Okay. Now go to your second sprite. And change wait Naman. Change X to 150 for the second sprite, not for the third sprite. For the second sprite, Naman. X 150. Color should be blue. Second sprite, color blue. Very good. Now go to the third sprite. Go to the third sprite. X as 150, Y as 150, and make color as green. Make color as green. Now let me go to Vihan's screen, okay? And just put green flag on top of everything, Naman. Vihan, please share.
Okay.
Okay, now we will create one more sprite. Let's create one more sprite. Vihan, create one more sprite.
Should we also do that, sir?
Yes, please. Everyone should create the fourth sprite.
So it was a chick, sir.
Okay. Okay, now first one is pen up. Drag and drop pen up.
Okay, sir.
Second one, go to XY. X
Okay,
will
sir.
be, X is minus 150. Y is 150. Naman, there's a background noise. If you could be mute.
Next.
Color would be black.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then set pen size to 3.
Set pen size
To 3.
That's
Anya, you are doing it. Then pen down.
Can you wait, sir? I'm doing it. I'm just a bit behind.
Okay.
It's
So this
Then-
is different sprite, right?
That's a difference. The fourth sprite we are doing now. Then pen down.
Okay, sir.
Where is pen down, Vihan? There is no pen down you put. Then repeat block. Move 5 steps. Okay. Wait for 0.5 seconds.
done, sir.
Okay. Now put a green flag on top of it. Okay. Play it. Okay. All are kind of moving. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let me go to Anya's screen. Now we will start creating the design pattern. Okay. We have just created our sprite and we have put sprite on the 4 sides of the square. Anya, please share.
Done. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay, Anya, let's go to the first sprite. Go to the first sprite.
So can you tell me the code for Ladybug 4?
It's the same code, Dhruv, right? It's just the XY which is changing. For fourth ladybug, the X is minus 150, Y is 150.
Okay.
And color is black, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anya, let's go to the first one. Let's go to the first sprite. We are going to make change to the first sprite, Anya. Okay, very good. Go to motion, Anya. And drag and drop, there is something called as point towards. You have something called as point towards. Drag and drop over here, Anya. Over here. Just below, go to XY. Okay. And in the drop down, select sprite 2. Over here in the drop down. What was your sprite 2? just select Ladybug 2. Yes. Everyone has done this?
No, sir.
So it's doing it.
Sir, did you do a new thing?
Yes, we are doing the new thing for the first sprite. So Anya has added a new block point towards, which is pointing to the second sprite. In her case, the second sprite name is Ladybug 2. Anya, do one thing, add the same block over here. Okay, go to point towards, again go to point towards. And yes, very good. And again make it Ladybug 2.
So do we have to put a point towards?
Yes, everyone has to do it, bro. Anya, just show me your Ladybug first code. Others can look at it. Everyone has done this?
Sir, I'm putting point towards ghost because the ghost is the second sprite, sir.
Okay, okay. And Anya, this repeat, make repeat as 55. Instead of 10, make it 55. Anya, you have to go back to the code.
The point towards will be below minus 150, right?
Wait, just have a look at what she is doing. Repeat 55. Okay, very good. Now let's wait, Anya. Okay. Everyone has done this for the first sprite?
I'm doing
Yes,
it,
sir.
sir.
So what we are doing, we are pointing each sprite against each other, okay?
The repeat is how much?
55.
So like this sprite and this sprite will get crashed, and this sprite and this sprite. No, sir.
Yes, so the opposite kind of thing, okay? So that's what we will do. We'll do coding one by one, okay? Everyone did for the first sprite?
Yes,
Naman?
sir, I'm doing the coding for the fourth.
So, sir, will it be like this then? So the first sprite is going to point to the second sprite. This is the second sprite. The second sprite will point to the third sprite. And the third sprite will point to the fourth sprite.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go and code for the second sprite. Now go to the second sprite. Go to the second sprite.
Second sprite. So we do the exact same thing except Ladybug 3.
Yes. Now
Point
again.
towards
1 minute. Sir.
Ladybug 3.
Correct.
Point
I'm
towards
done with the Ladybug 2. Ladybug,
Okay.
my dot is not done.
And make this as
I'm
55.
done, sir.
Okay, are you doing for the second sprite now?
Sir, I finished doing for the second sprite.
Okay, you're pointing to the correct person.
We do it for the third sprite and fourth sprite as well.
Yes, Sanya, we have to do it for them also.
So point towards Ladybug 4. Point towards Ladybug 4.
Her Ladybug 4 sprite,
Uh-huh.
the blocks are, sir, same blocks.
Okay. Same blocks. Okay. Anya, in Ladybug 4, we'll point towards the Ladybug 1. Okay.
I know. So point. Oops, wait.
Sir,
Yes, Kevin.
mine just everything got deleted. I don't
Again,
know how. Yes, sir.
then you can quickly create now, right? You know how to duplicate.
Yes, sir.
No, it would be Ladybug 1.
Point towards Ladybug 1.
Yes.
Let me just check if they're all correct. So Ladybug 1 point towards Ladybug 2. Okay, yeah.
Okay, now just show me, just run your program again.
Okay. So I'm kind of excited.
Okay.
Oh, that's
So,
cool.
but we will improve on this design. Okay, it is still building. We are still building our coding. Okay. All right. We will still do it more. Everyone has done this.
No, so I'm doing it.
So how do I rotate it back to its regular?
So I finished the fox, sir.
Okay. How about you,
No,
Agam?
I
So how
just,
do I?
the only doubt I have is on the ladybug 4.
Ladybug 4 will go to the first one. Will point towards the first one again.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kevin.
So can you tell me the ladybug 3?
Code for Ladybug
and
3, XY block.
yes, sir.
X is 150, Y is 150.
Hey, sir,
Sir, and for the
something's
fourth
actually
one?
wrong with mine. No, I just realized because what's happening is Ladybug 1, it's not pointing to Ladybug 2, and
Anya,
Ladybug 2 is pointing to Ladybug 1.
okay. No, it should be dependent upon your sprite names. So what you have done is correct as of now. You have done it correctly, Anya.
Well, that looks nice.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now let me go to Agam's screen. Agam, please share.
Okay, that's ladybug 2.
Everyone has done this or not, first of all?
Sir,
Okay,
done
very
it,
good.
sir.
Okay,
I'm
now we will
seeing
create.
23.
Naman, you have done it?
Sir, you can check my...
What happened, Naman? Okay, share your screen.
Sir, how did you do that, sir? That didn't work for me, sir.
Because you have a background, right? You selected a background. Can you delete your background? But just delete your background. You will only see a design. Okay. Okay, Naman, let's check your coding. First one is go to X, point towards 2. Then point towards 2, repeat 55. Okay, show me the second coding. 150.
Sir, there's a problem with
Sir,
my...
sir.
Wait, let me first help Naman. Wait.
Sir, the same thing is happening, sir.
Yeah, Vyan, just wait.
Background also.
Wait. Pen of X is 150, Y is minus 150, points towards 3. Okay, show me the next one.
This is somebody else's screen.
So is there a way to erase it?
No, there is no way as such. As of now, we have not coded for it, Anya. We have to
In
start.
the pen, I saw one block where it said erase. Repeat.
But we have not.
55. Repeat.
Yes, thank you, Agam. Can you make this as 55?
Sir?
Yes, Vihan.
Sir? Can I just show you how mine is?
Yeah, sure. Let me
Mine
first
is
help
not
him. Yeah,
going
let me
like
first.
this.
Okay, again, show me the flat next code.
It's not going like that, sir.
Okay, make it 55 again. And so what we need to cross check, Naman, is when we
सर मुझे पता चल गया क्या गलती है
XY block.
सर XY ब्लॉक में हर एक 2
Yes,
to 4 सारे लास्ट वाले 150 है मेरे
Yeah,
ख्याल
so first let's go to the fourth block. Go to your fourth sprite. Make X as minus 150. X as minus 150.
So guess what? I made up my own code of how to erase it once it's done it, and it worked.
Very good, Anya. Y will be 150.
You don't have to do it for all sprites. You only have to do it for one, and it works.
Very good, Anya. Y will be 150. X minus 150, Y 150. Okay, and show me now the sprite 3.
Mm.
X 150, Y 150.
So I'm gonna try my code now.
Okay.
Yeah, after this, can I show everyone the code I did? It's pretty simple actually.
Sure, Anya. We still have to do more coding, okay? After that. For the second one, X is 150, Y minus 150.
So all my other sprites have stopped. Only my ladybug is moving.
I'll come to you.
None of the other sprites are moving. Just my ladybug is.
Naman, we just need to make sure coordinates are correct.
So what is
X for the second one. Okay, all right. Okay, very good. Now let me go to Vihan. Vihan, please share.
Sir, I have a problem.
Okay, after what you have done, Vihan. Okay, show me the code for each one of those. Always you should select what I tell you to select. Okay, now let's see. Pen up minus 150, pen down, repeat 55 times. Okay, now show me for the second sprite. X should be what? X should be what? Second sprite? 150. Y should be minus 150. Y should be minus 150. And how many times repeat?
I'm trying my coding now.
Repeat is 55.
Sir, it's working now.
Very good. 55. Okay. Now show me for the third one. X is, Y is 150. Go to, okay. Now show me for the fourth one. That's okay. Okay. Now just run it again, Vihan.
Sir, it's working mine.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now we will add one more block to it. Okay. So now let me go. Kevin, are you done? You can start.
Yes, so you can start, sir. One mistake I had and I'm correcting it.
Wait, sir.
So how do I like delete the backdrop? I don't get it. I don't understand.
Sir,
Okay. Dhruv, please share
can
your
I
screen.
please, sir, can I show the thing where I erased everything after it's done the full thing? Can I show that, sir?
Yes, Anya. Let me first help everyone. Then I'll come to you. Okay. Okay, Dhruv, please
Vihan,
share.
stop. Oh, Vihan's not stopped.
So my design didn't come like this at all.
Maybe I can do coding at my screen.
But Naman, it is all working for you now, right? Let me first look at Dhruv. Dhruv, please share. Okay, what do you want to Dhruv?
This background deleting.
Okay, click on that over here. Click on the stage. No, just click. Don't do anything. Let's just click on this. Sorry. Just
Where?
click on the stage over here. Just click
This
over
one.
there. No, not there. The stage itself. Yeah. You're right clicking it, right? Don't right
Yes,
click.
sir.
Just we have to do click once. Now go to backdrops. Delete that.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
So my
Got
design
it.
didn't come like this at all. So
Okay,
it's
Kevin,
just
please share.
Angle.
Please share, Kevin.
So I just created an angle.
Okay. So I'll tell you XY for everything and then you can cross check. Okay. And
Okay,
this
sir.
repeat block, every repeat is 55. Okay. And
Okay.
so for the first sprite, X is minus 150, Y is minus 150,
Yes, sir.
and it is pointing to the second sprite, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for the second sprite, X is 150, Y is minus 150,
Yes, sir.
and repeat will be 55. But everywhere repeat is.
Okay, so I guess that's my mistake.
So do we have to do all this as well?
No, Anya, I'm just helping him as of now. I'll let you know.
So, done.
Okay, the points. Okay,
When can I
now,
show my thing?
sure, Anya, I'll give you that opportunity. Let's click on the green flag.
So, but this is moving this side.
Yes, so we have to check the point towards is correct or not, right? For everything. The first sprite
Okay,
should point towards the second sprite. It's just your fourth sprite should point towards the first sprite. The fourth should point towards the first sprite.
Okay, sir. Three. Three. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we will add a new one. Anya, please share your screen. Agam, you have done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, my doubt isn't clear about the last.
Okay. So can I show what I did, sir?
Yes, Anya, please share.
So what I did was I added this erasal thing
Okay.
underneath over here. So that what happens is because look, when it's not there,
Are we doing anything?
Not yet. She's just showing what extra she has done. I'll tell you.
I can't see it.
because when it's not there, when you just press the flag, what happens is the colors they
Erase all
they
on.
you put it underneath the whole of your coding. But this is what happens when it's not there. It just stays there. And then the colors are there when you do the next time. They don't go away. So then it's pretty simple what I did.
So just take one erase all block
Yeah.
and should
And
we
then
put
you
it
put
below?
it here.
Okay.
Yeah,
On
like
all
this.
four?
You only have to put it on one. It works with just one. If you put it on one.
So if
I only put it on Ladybug 1 and it worked.
So if I only put it on the Ladybug 1 first sprite, it will work.
Yeah. So now look what I keep on accidentally pressing stop share.
Sir.
So look what's gonna happen now. So when it gets inside the middle, it will immediately erase when it gets right to the middle.
Okay, now we will add a new sprite. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Kevin.
mine it's coming like X, not like this circle.
Okay.
You now
so-
see, it's going to erase soon now.
Yeah, Anya, it's erased everything.
Very
Then
good.
it erases, and then when you start again, the colors go again.
Okay, so now let's, Kevin, I'll just come back to you. Let's add a new sprite. Okay. Go to sprite and now click on paint. Sprite and click on paint. Everyone did that?
Yes, sir.
Everyone did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you need to do, Anya, drag and drop from this rectangle, make it a very small rectangle of black color. Make a rectangle of very small black color. Fill it with black color. No, it's very big. Make it very, very small. Make it small. More small, more small, more small. That's it, yeah. Okay. And fill it with black color. Make the filling as black.
So what are we supposed to do?
We are creating a new sprite now, Vihan.
I thought we're going to choose a sprite.
No, we are creating a new sprite using Paint. Agam, you have done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if everyone has done, we will start coding for this new sprite also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But sir, it's 1 o'clock.
Can you stay back or not? If you cannot, then I will share this recording with you. Okay.
No, I should be. I was able to. I was just saying that.
Okay, no problem.
But I can
Okay.
stay back. I don't have any class or anything.
Thank you, Anya. Now let's go to code.
So are we almost done?
No, Vihan, we will take some time. If you cannot stay back, then you can look at the recording later. Okay.
So are we gonna stay back for another hour then?
I think it all depends how fast you guys can do. Okay. So now we will start
Okay.
coding for it. Naman, you have created. Naman done.
So Naman is muted.
Naman, I cannot hear you.
You are muted.
Okay. Now what we will do, Anya, we will drag and drop erase all. Let's drag and drop erase all. Then we will do pen up. After that, drag and drop pen up. Very good. Then go to motion. And drag and drop, go to
Sir, do we have
XY.
to create the sprite?
Yes, yes, everyone has to
And
do
drag and
it.
drop what?
Go to XY. And put X as 150.
So take a new costume and fill it with black.
Correct, yeah. Y as 150.
Sir, are we doing an eraser?
Yes, we are doing it. So if you can see what she is doing right now, it's a new sprite. Then go to pen again.
Sir, what's X?
X 150.
It is all
Wait, sir.
then up.
Why, sir?
Same thing.
150.
150. Both are 150.
Then,
Okay, sir.
then you will do pen down. After that, pen down.
Down. Okay.
Okay, Anya, you have to stop sharing so the others can do it.
The next one,
And
sir.
when I come back, then I'll complete the coding.
Sure, Anya, please. Yeah. Okay, Dhruv, please share. Okay, erase all, pen up, go to X is 150. After that, pen down, put pen down. Then put set pen color to black. After that, put set pen size to 3.
So wait, sir.
Okay, let's wait for Vihan.
Sir,
Yes, we are
what to
waiting
put
for.
next?
Yeah, we're waiting for Vihan. Vihan, you have done all these?
No, sir. Sir, we should set pen color to
Black.
black, sir.
Black. Blacky black.
So the size is 3, no, sir?
Yeah.
Size is 3, correct.
Next, sir.
So can I tell you something? Today I have like a clay workshop for making Ganesha
Very nice. Okay,
at 4 to 5. So I'm making at home.
very nice.
Okay, done, sir.
Okay, then go to motion. Go to motion. Drag and drop, go to XY block.
Go to XY block. Another XY block, sir.
Yes,
Below set pen 3, sir.
correct, Vihan.
Sir, which one, sir?
Go to XY block, just drag and drop. X will be minus 150,
Minus 150.
Y 150.
Yeah, 150 minus 150.
Then again put a go to XY block below that.
So the
Sir, same numbers, sir.
Y.
Okay. So just have a look at what Dhruv is doing. Okay. Go
This
to
will be
XY.
plus 150, right, sir?
Wait, Dhruv. You guys have added the first XY block after set pen size to 3.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
something happened, sir.
What happened, Vihan?
No, nothing. Okay. Something just popped out.
Okay. Okay. For the second one, Dhruv,
What do we have to do,
X
sir?
is minus 150. Second one, Dhruv, X is minus 150.
X minus 150.
Y is 150, sir.
Just have a look at what he is doing. X is minus 150, Y is minus 150. And I will wait for everyone to make sure you have copied, you have done the same thing which
Yeah,
Dhruv has
sir, I'm
done.
back now. So can you please wait?
Okay, Anya?
This is the eraser then, right?
This is the fifth sprite, yes. Naman, you have done this? Vihan done? Agam done?
Yes, sir.
The done, sir.
Okay. After that, again put one more go to XY block.
One more, sir.
Yes. X
The
150,
next.
X 150, Y minus 150, then put one more XY block,
Sir, how many of them? 5.
4. Now put X as
1,
150.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes,
There's
correct.
one here also.
Yes,
5.
correct. X 150, Y would be 150.
Same.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Wait, Vihan, I just want to make sure you have done the same blocks as Dhruv.
Okay, sir, done.
150.
Kevin done, Agam done.
We're doing it, sir.
I am
150.
1, 2, 3,
150.
5 of them, sir.
150.
Okay. Then after that, you have to do set pen size to 1. Go
That
to
one
pen.
is 1.
Yes.
So it's forming like a box.
Yes. We are forming a box as well. Then after that, go to control.
So 1 minute, sir. Set pen size 1.
So what block next?
Set pen size to 1 was there, right? If you look at Dhruv's screen.
Okay, sir, done.
After that, go to control and make drag and drop wait 1 second.
So should we attach it down?
Yes.
So it made a clear box.
Okay. Everyone did?
This
Yes, sir.
coding
Yes,
is
sir.
really big, sir.
Yes, it's big because you're creating a design pattern. Okay. Then after that, drag and drop repeat block.
Repeat.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Within that repeat block, put pen up.
Pen up.
Okay, sir.
Then after that, put go to sprite, go to motion block. Dhruv, you can scroll down.
I to put 2 pen ups.
No, why you put only one pen up, right? Inside that
Sir,
repeat block.
now go to sprite, sir.
There
I
is
think
a-
there is one pen up here also, so that came down.
Okay, all right. So after everyone has put the repeat block,
Yes, sir.
and within repeat block pen up,
Yes, sir.
then you have to go to motion, In motion, there will be block
Yes,
by
sir,
name go to.
wait.
Okay.
Block.
It is a go to block, correct? In motion.
Go to random
Sir, I can't
position.
find it.
Here.
Go to block.
To random position, sir.
And then go to the first sprite. Which is
Really
your
go-
first sprite? Okay, now let's wait for everyone to do this. Have you guys done this?
So what should be the random position?
Yes, sir.
So in that you have to select the first sprite in the drop down.
Ladybug 1.
Everyone did?
No, where's the go to Ladybug one?
It's very kind.
What is
So
your
it's
first sprite name?
following my ladybug.
Yes, correct.
That will be me.
Okay. Then after that,
Wait, sir, I'm not done.
okay.
So it's sprite next costume. Should I stay in this motion only, sir, or go to a different?
I'll tell you. I just want to make sure everyone has reached till this point. Okay. Then go back to pen.
Come on, Thursday. What, sir?
Pen. Set pen color to yellow now. After that, set pen color to yellow.
So in the repeat block only, sir.
Yes, in the repeat block itself.
Okay, sir.
I'll put regular yellow.
Then after that put pen down.
Sir,
After that put pen down.
sir, are we almost done?
No, Rian, I'll tell you. Everyone did till this point?
Done, sir.
So wait, sir.
Okay, now just put a green flag on top of it and see how it looks like first, okay? And then we will improve on this particular design pattern.
In a square, sir.
Yes, because you had those go to XY thing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are doing coding at a time as such, okay?
Sir, mine is not coming in a square, sir.
Sir,
For who all the square is not coming, first of all?
so it's coming.
This is Anya, it's not coming in the square.
Check my coding. Sir, मेरा ऐसा नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, then let's do one thing. Let's save your coding and we will continue this in next time, okay? So everyone should save the coding.
Check my coding.
I can leave, right, sir?
Yes, everyone
Sir.
should save.
Bye,
Yes.
sir.
Bye.
Sir, in my coding there's some problem, I guess.
Okay.
So, I
Bye,
have
sir.
in sir.
Coding. Yesterday's game.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Vihan. Okay, so if someone has a question, please stay back. Otherwise, save your game and we will continue this next time.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Agam, please share your screen.